Hi friends, in this tutorial I will guide you how you can fix an error while inserting a USB drive or a hard disk and you get an error code your device is not recognized. So before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very first step and basic step you need to do is to update your Windows by pressing the Windows and I key simultaneously to open the settings menu of your computer, and in settings menu click on update and security. In update and security, if updates are available, kindly download these updates and install it in your computer. This is the basic step that you need to perform. Now in second step, we are going to download certain updates that will fix this issue. This update we will go ahead and download from official Microsoft website. I'll provide you this link in the description below. Scroll down and you will find here two updates. First update is for the 32 based operating system and second update is for 64-bit operating system. Download the updates and kindly install them. If you do not know the type of your PC, right click on this PC and click on the properties button, and here you will find in system type that your system is 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system. So depending upon the type, download 32-bit or 62 or 64-bit updates and kindly install them. If still your problem is not resolved, we are going to proceed to the third step, which is updating your motherboard drivers. In order to update your motherboard drivers, I have a software known as Snappy Driver Installer Origin. I'll provide you the download link of this software in the description below. If you do not know how to use this software, I'll provide that complete tutorial in the description so that you can view that particular description and install the latest motherboard drivers in your computer. It's just a click away, so you do not need to worry. Everything will be done by this software. You just need to connect your computer to the internet and this software will install latest motherboard drivers in your computer. This one is the third step. If still the problem is not resolved, we will go ahead and proceed to the step number 4. In step number 4, simultaneously press Windows and X key, and over here you need to click on the power options. In power options, click on additional power settings. In additional power settings, under your plan, you have a balanced plan or an ultimate performance plan. Click on change plan settings. Again, click on change advanced power settings. And under this window, you will find an option USB settings. Open it. Again open it, and on battery mode, disable it. In plugged in, choose disable. Hit apply and OK button. This one is the fourth step that you need to perform. Make sure you disable both on battery as well as plugged in. This one is the fourth step. If still your problem is not resolved, we are going to proceed with fifth step. Simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command and type here dev mgmt.msc and hit the enter button. I'll provide these commands in the description below so that you can easily copy and paste over here in the run command. So in device manager, you need to choose disk drive. Under disk drive, you will find your pen drive or your hard disk available over here. What you need to do is to right click on it and click on uninstall driver. Click on the uninstall button. Once the drivers are installed, now unplug your USB drive. Once you have unplugged the USB drive, wait for a few seconds and now again plug it in your computer. Once you plugged in, the USB driver will automatically install in your computer. And lastly, in the sixth step, in the below of this window you will find Universal Serious Bus Controller. Expand it and over here choose USB mass storage. You need to do is to right click on it and click on uninstall this device. One by one you need to uninstall each and every USB device. This one also uninstall device. Whatever the devices available under the hood, under this Universal Serious Bus Controller, you need to uninstall each and everything, and after that kindly restart your computer. This one is the last and the fifth step that you need to perform in order to make your USB drive working, or in order to remove the error in which it is saying USB device not recognized. That's it you have to do in order to remove this error, friends. That's it about it. If you like my tutorial, if you like my video, or if my tutorial solves your problem, I request you to please hit the subscribe button and share my channel, share my videos with your friends also. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.